You want to hear 70 facts about one of the most iconic automotive brand in the world? I got you! Here are 70 quick facts about BMW. BMW's story is filled with innovation, milestones, and legendary cars. Join us as we explore BMW's motorsport heritage, pioneering technologies, and commitment to sustainability. Let's get right into it. BMW stands for Bayerische Motorenwerke AG, which translates to Bavarian Motor Works in English. BMW was founded on March 7, 1916 by Franz Josef Popp in Munich, Germany. The company initially produced aircraft engines during World War I. BMW's first car, the BMW 315, was produced in 1929. BMW's logo, depicting a rotating white propeller against a blue sky, reflects its origin as an aircraft engine manufacturer. BMW's headquarters, known as the BMW four-cylinder building, is located in Munich and features a distinctive four-cylinder tower. BMW acquired the British automotive brands Mini and Rolls-Royce in the early 2000s. The BMW Group also includes the brands BMW Motorrad, motorcycles, and BMW i, electric vehicles. The BMW Group is one of the German Big Three luxury automakers, along with Audi and Mercedes-Benz. BMW's first electric car, the BMW i3, was introduced in 2013. The BMW Group is known for its commitment to sustainability and has implemented numerous eco-friendly initiatives in its production processes. BMW's M division produces high-performance variants of BMW vehicles, known as M cars. The iconic BMW 3 Series is one of the company's best-selling models and has been in production since 1975. BMW's first SUV, the BMW X5, was introduced in 1999. The BMW 7 Series is the company's flagship luxury sedan. BMW introduced its first turbocharged production car, the BMW 2002 Turbo, in 1973. BMW's Art Cars program commissions renowned artists to paint unique designs on BMW vehicles. BMW's most powerful production car is the BMW M5 CS, producing over 600 horsepower. BMW has a long history of motorsport success, particularly in touring car racing and Formula One. The BMW Z8, introduced in 1999, gained fame as James Bond's car in the film The World Is Not Enough. BMW's manufacturing facilities are located in Germany, the United States, China, South Africa, and other countries. BMW's iconic kidney grille design has been a hallmark of the brand's vehicles since the 1930s. BMW's first motorcycle, the BMW R32, was produced in 1923. The BMW Group employs over 120,000 people worldwide. BMW's corporate colors are blue and white, reflecting the colors of the Bavarian flag. BMW's Research and Development Center, known as the BMW Forschung und Technik GmbH, focuses on innovation and future technologies. BMW's first concept car, the BMW Turbo, was introduced in 1972. The BMW 5 Series is a popular executive sedan known for its performance and luxury features. BMW introduced its first hydrogen-powered car, the BMW Hydrogen 7, in 2007. The BMW Group has a strong presence in motorsport, sponsoring events like the BMW Championship in golf and Formula E racing. BMW's high-performance electric vehicle line is known as BMW iPerformance. BMW's slogan, "The Ultimate Driving Machine," reflects the brand's focus on performance and driving experience. BMW's manufacturing processes emphasize precision engineering and attention to detail. BMW offers a range of plug-in hybrid vehicles, combining electric and combustion engine technology. BMW has a long-standing partnership with the German luxury watchmaker Montblanc. BMW's design language is characterized by clean lines, aerodynamic shapes, and a focus on driver-oriented interiors. BMW's first V8 engine, the BMW OHV V8, was introduced in 1954. BMW's manufacturing facilities use renewable energy sources to reduce environmental impact. BMW's connected drive system integrates advanced technology for navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. BMW's production processes prioritize sustainability and efficiency, with efforts to reduce waste and emissions. BMW has a strong presence in motorsport, with teams competing in events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the Deutsche Tourenwagen Masters (DTM). BMW's headquarters in Munich includes a museum showcasing the company's history and innovations. BMW's design philosophy emphasizes the balance between performance, luxury, and innovation. BMW's motorsport division, BMW Motorsport, produces racing cars and performance parts for enthusiasts. BMW's first turbocharged Formula One engine, the BMW M1213, powered the Brabham team to victory in the 1983 F1 season. BMW's Efficient Dynamics program focuses on improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions across its vehicle lineup. BMW's xDrive system provides all-wheel drive capability for improved traction and handling in various road conditions. BMW's commitment to sustainability includes efforts to minimize water usage and promote recycling in its manufacturing processes. BMW's vision. Next 100 concept explores the future of mobility with innovative technologies like autonomous driving and augmented reality. BMW's brand identity is built on a reputation for quality, performance, and innovation, reflecting its motto, sheer driving pleasure. The BMW Group is one of the largest exporters of vehicles from the United States to other countries. BMW's motorsport division has won numerous championships in touring car racing, including victories in the European Touring Car Championship (ETCC) and World Touring Car Championship (WTCC). BMW's first full-electric SUV, the BMW X, was introduced in 2021, showcasing the company's commitment to electric mobility. The BMW Group has a long-standing partnership with the International Olympic Committee (IOC) and provides support for Olympic events and initiatives worldwide. BMW's corporate sustainability strategy includes initiatives to promote renewable energy and reduce carbon emissions throughout its supply chain. BMW's classic models, such as the BMW 2002 and BMW E30 M3, have achieved cult status among automotive enthusiasts and collectors. BMW's production facilities incorporate advanced robotics and automation to enhance efficiency and quality control. BMW's research and development efforts focus on emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, and blockchain applications for automotive use. The BMW Group is actively involved in promoting diversity and inclusion initiatives within its workforce and the automotive industry. BMW's commitment to innovation extends to partnerships with tech companies and startups to develop cutting-edge mobility solutions and services. BMW's iconic Hofmeister kink, a signature design element seen in the rear window of BMW vehicles, was introduced by designer Wilhelm Hofmeister in the 1960s. BMW's headquarters in Munich features a rotating display of historic and concept vehicles, showcasing the brand's evolution and innovation. BMW's M Division offers high-performance driving experiences through its M Driving Schools, where enthusiasts can learn advanced driving techniques from professional instructors. BMW's efficient lightweight strategy incorporates lightweight materials such as carbon fiber, reinforced plastic, CFRP, to improve fuel efficiency and performance. BMW's art car collection includes vehicles painted by renowned artists such as Andy Warhol, Roy Lichtenstein, and Jeff Koons, blending automotive design with contemporary art. BMW's Drive Now program offers car-sharing services in major cities worldwide, providing convenient and flexible transportation options for urban residents. BMW's individual program allows customers to customize their vehicles with bespoke paint colors, interior trims, and personalized features tailored to their preferences. BMW's partnership with Toyota has resulted in collaborative projects such as the development of fuel cell technology and joint research on next-generation vehicle platforms. BMW's dedication to safety innovation includes the implementation of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and crash avoidance technologies to enhance occupant protection and prevent accidents. That was the last one. What fact was the best, or which one did you not know before? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video, your Engine Junkie team.